Welcome to my channel everybody. This is the fourth class of different type of competitive exam. There are the 14 question here. There is 13 and this is the 14. Okay. So see, this is the number one question here. See the solution. Look here. This is here the option 0, 1, log x, log y, log z and 8. See, this is equal to, we can write here like 1 and log y by log x. This is log z by log x and log x over log y, and this is 3 and log z over log y, and now log x over log z, okay, and log y over log z, and this is 5. And now take a common 1 by log x from the first row. This is here log x, okay, and take a common log y from the second row and log z from the third row. Okay, then we get here log x, log y, log z. This is here log x, 3 log y and log z. This is here log x and log y and 5 log z. See carefully again. If we take log x from the first row, log y from the second row, and log z from the third row, then here is we can write here also log x, also log y, and log z. Okay. Therefore, this row is 1, 1, 1. This here is 1, 3 and 1. Here is 1, 1 and 5. Okay. Now expand this. Expand this, then we get here like take a common 1 and this 15 minus 1. This is 15 minus 1 here and 1. We take this column and this is 5 minus 1. Okay, and again this is 1 minus 3. Okay, this is here 14 and minus 4 here, and also minus 2. This is minus 2 and 6, and this is 8, 6, 14, okay, 8. So here is option D. Okay, see the solution. And now we proceed to the second question. So yes, this solution. This is complete here. See the next solution for 2. This is a singular matrix. For the singular matrix, you know, date of A is equal to 0. This is 2. So that's why x 0 1 2 minus 1 4 1 2 0 is equal to 0 for the singular matrix. So expand this and x into minus 1 here, okay, see, and 0 means 0. Okay, now here 1 into this is 4 plus 1 equal to 0. So simply can be written as this is again 0 okay, there is a wrong. So if we take this 0 minus 8, 0 minus 8, so that's why minus 8x plus 5 equal to 0, so x is equal to 5 by 8. So option is B. Okay, see carefully. Number This is done here. For the question number 3, now you have to show AB and BA. This is the relation. Now find here AB. AB minus BA. This is CB minus BC. Then multiply this. Then we get here AC. This is here AC and minus B square. Again AB and plus BC. Again minus BC minus AB. Again minus B square plus AC. Okay, and now find here our the relation are BA, AB, and this is we find here AB and BA. B means here is the source matrix BC minus BC. Okay, and this is AB minus BA. Find the product. Now AC plus minus B square. Okay, same element there. Find the value. This is CB. This is CB here. BA. This is AB. Okay, AB, CB are same. Okay. Now AB. Okay, minus BC. Again minus BC minus AB are same. Now minus B square and plus CA. Okay, CA. So C, both the matrices are same. So the option AB equal to BA is right. Option B. See the solution carefully. Okay. And this is 3 complete here. Okay. Now attend the question number 14. See, Zn is equal to cos pi by 2 to the power n I sin pi by 2 to the power n. So Z1, Z2 and Z3 their product. So Z1, Z2 and Z3 dot to infinity, and that is equal to, we can write here, for Z1 we find here 2, for Z2 we find here 2 square, this is pi by 2 square and pi by 2 cube, and this is the infinite GP, and also I into sine of same as pi by 2 plus pi by 2 square and pi by 2 cube and order to infinity. Actually this is the product of complex number. You know, if we product some complex number like cos of theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 and cos of theta 2 plus I sin theta 2, if we multiply these two complex, then we get there the addition of the angles. So cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I into sin theta 1 plus theta 2. Like that, if we product another complex number like cos theta 3 plus I sin theta, then we get also that is cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus I into sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3. Okay, so that type of formation is we get here. So this is the sum of infinite GP series. That is the sum of A by 1 minus R. This by this there is R. Okay, half is R here. Okay, sine, and this is A by 1 minus R, and this is half here. Okay, so you get here cos pi by 2. This is pi here, and I sin pi. So sin pi is 0 and cos pi is minus 1. So this is the answer. So this is the option D here. Okay. So 14 number question is complete here. So now proceed. The next question is 4. This is, we see that the this is an image, 16x square plus 25y square is equal to 400. Divided by 400 we get here 25. Okay, 25 plus y square by 16, and that is equal to 1. So A here, major axis is 5 here. So sum of PS plus PS dash, that is the distance from any point on the ellipse to the focus, foci, both S1 and S2, this is the foci. So then the sum is always twice A. A here means this is the length of the length of the major axis. Okay, and this 2 into 5 is equal to 10 here. Okay, option B. And for the ellipse is this, and for the hyperbola, and then the difference PS minus PS dash is equal to twice A for the hyperbola. Okay, so learn with this point. Okay. 4 number question is complete. Now for 5 here is, and this is the formula of inverse, sine inverse, that is x square into root over 1 minus x. X can be written as root x whole square, okay? And now this is here minus, so this is here minus, so root x as x, and this is here root over 1 minus x square and whole square. This can be written like sine inverse x square and minus sine inverse root x. So if we differentiate dy dx, then we get there, and this is root over 1 minus x to the power 4, and the derivative of this twice x. So this is here 1 by root over 1 minus root x square. So this is x, and then derivative of root x here is 2 into root x. So now you can write here 2x by root over 1 minus x to the power 4 here, and 2 into root x, and root over 1 minus x here. See which option is there? This is 2x by 1 minus x to the power 4, but 1 by root x, yes, this is your option. And if we multiply the x on the both the two root, then we get here x minus x square. The option, first option is the answer. Okay, see. So 5 number is complete. Okay, now see the question number 6. And given that lambda x square 4xy y square lambda x 3y square plus 2 equal to 0 is a parabola, and then the value of lambda, for finding the value of lambda, is here a, b, h and h is equal to 0. Okay, for finding if this is represented a parabola, this is the logic. Okay, and now what is the a here? A is the quotient of x square and b is the quotient of y square, that is 1 here. So, and h is the quotient of half of the quotient of xy. So here is xy, quotient of xy is 4, half of that, okay, that is 2 into 2, and that is equal to 0. So you can easily find lambda minus 4 equal to 0, so lambda equal to 4 here. So option is here C. So this is complete. 6th number question is complete. Okay, now see the solution, see the question number 7. So we have given that is 3 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2 to the power 50, and this is equal to 3 to the power 24 and x minus I by. Here is the 7 number question. 3 by 2 I into root 3 by 2 to the power 50 into 3 to the power 24, and within the bracket x minus I by, and what is the coordinate of xy? Okay, see. So now if we take a common root 3, then we get here root 3 to the power 50. Okay, then we can write here root 3 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2 1 by 2 to the power 50, and this is 3 to the power 24 and x minus I by, and divide this is 25, this is 3 here, so we can write like cos that is 30, this is pi by 6 plus I into sin 30, this is pi by 6 here. Okay, and this is 50, and this is x minus I by, and 3, and if we multiply to the angle here, this is the rules here, this is 50 into pi by 6 I into sine 50 and pi by 6 is equal to x minus I by. So now, and also 3 can multiply here, okay. So you can easily x is equal to 3 cos 50. 50 can be arranged, and that is 6 by 50. This is 2. This is 2. So this is actually 8 pi plus 2 pi by 6. Okay, and that is equal to 3 into cos of this is here 16 into pi by 2 plus pi by 3 and 16. 4 goes just 16 here, then we get again all. So that is cos pi by 3. 3 into pi by 3, that is 60. 60 means half. Cos 60 is half. So this is 3 by 2. And minus y is equal to 3 times of sine 8 pi plus pi by 3. Again 3 into, again to the all. We can, this is sine pi by 3. This is here 3 into and root 3 by 2, 60. Okay, therefore y is equal to minus 3 root 3 by 2. Therefore coordinate x, y, and this is x is 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2, and this is option B here. Okay, option B, and it's complete. See carefully. Okay, very good question. So okay, this is a 7. This is 7 question. Okay. And see the next question. And next solution is 12. That is given that the ABC is a ABC is a triangle, and given that a square cot A, b square cot B, c square cot C is equal to what option? Del 2a, 4 del and 3 del. Okay. Now see here, this is the question here, and cot A means cos by sin A, cot B means cos by sin B, cot C means cos by sin C, and sin A means A by 2r, B by sin B means B by 2r, and sin C is equal to C by 2r. Okay, and A R A cancel, B by R cancel, C R cancel. Okay, now take account twice R, then we get here A cos A, B cos B, C cos C. Okay, again here A is equal to 2r sin A, B is equal to 2r sin B, C is equal to 2r sin C. Okay, and take account 2r here. Okay, so we get here that is 2r square. Therefore the sin twice A, sin twice B, and 2 sin C cos C. 2 sin A, sin cos A, that is sin twice A. Sin twice B, 2 sin B and cos B, that is sin twice B. That is sin twice A, sin twice B, that is sin C sin D. That is 2 sin C plus D by 2 and cos C minus D by 2 here. And this is 2 sin C and cos C. So 2 are cancelled, so that is here A plus B. And you can put here pi minus C, and that is equal to sin C. And that is here cos of A minus B. And this is here 2 cos C and sin C, and take around 2 sin C. So this is here 4r square sin C. Okay, this is here cos A minus B, and this is here cos C, and cos C can be replaced by pi minus within the bracket A minus B, A plus B. So that is equal to minus cos of A plus B, and expand this, then we get 2 sin A sin B, and that is equal to 8r square. Sin A means A by 2r, sin B means B by 2r, sin C means 2 C by 2r. And therefore we can write here ABC divided by R, that is equal to 4 there. Okay, and this is option number C here. Okay, see carefully and see the next question. That is 9. In a triangle given that that is here cot A, cot B and cot C. Okay, cot A, cot B and cot C is equal to cot A, cot B and cot C is equal to root 3, and A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So A plus B is equal to pi minus C. So cot A plus B equal to minus cot C here. I expand this, then we get here cot A, cot B, cot B, cot C, and cot A is equal to 1. So let x is equal to cot A, y equal to cot B, and z equal to cot C here. Okay. So x plus y plus z equal to root 3, and x y, y z, z is equal to 1. Squaring both sides this. Okay. X square, y square, z square 2, x y, y z, z x is equal to 3. In place of 1 we can substitute this x y, okay, plus y z and z x. Okay, and transfer this part to the left hand side, then we get here, okay, z square, x y, y z and z x, and multiply by 2 on the each part. Then we get here x minus y whole square, y minus z whole square, and z minus x whole square equal to 0. So you can write here x equal to y equal to z, and that is implies that cot A, cot B and cot C. So A equal to B equal to C. So it shows that the triangle is an equilateral triangle. So this is 9 is complete here. Okay. Now for the question number 10. See. For question number 10, this is cos inverse x, cos inverse y is equal to b. So cos inverse xy minus root over 1 minus x square, 1 minus y square, and this is equal to beta. So you can write here xy minus root over x square, 1 minus y square, and this is equal to cos b. So xy minus cos b is equal to root over of 1 minus x square and root over of y minus x square. Okay, x square y square minus 2xy and cos b, and this is cos square b here. So 1 minus x square and 1 minus y square. Multiplying this, then we get here is this. Okay, so these x square cancel, and now take on the left hand side here x square plus y square minus 2 xy and cos beta, and that is equal to 1 minus cos square, that is sin square beta. So see, this is the option A. I think this is the option A. This is sin square beta. Okay. See. And now for 11. Now for 11. And now 1 plus, 1 plus x whole to the 15 is equal to 15c0, 15c1x, 15c2x square, 15c3x cube, and dot 15c 15x to the power 15 here. Putting x equal to 1 and minus 1, then we get here 2 to the power 15. So this is 15c0, 15c1, 15c2, 15c3, and dot 15c15 here. So now 1 minus 1 to the power 15. This is 15c0, 15c1, 15c2, 15c3, minus 15c15. We subtract this, okay? Then we get our required. This is, if we add, this is 0 and this is 2 to the power 15. This is subtract. This is 15. And this is, these are 2 are cancelled. These are 2 are cancelled. So this is twice times of that. 15c1. This is 15c3, and this is also 15c15. So divided by 2, then we got there 2 to the power on the left hand side 2 to the power 14, and this is your record. Okay, so answer is 2 to the power 14. So this is 2 to the power 14, option A. Okay, so 9, 10, 9, 10 and 11 is complete. Okay. And now see the question number 12 here. Okay, 12 is complete also, okay. Now see the 13, very interesting question here. So a straight line is given here, 3x plus 4y equal to c is the chord of the circle, okay, and then length of chord is that, okay. Now see, this is your 3x plus 4y equal to c, and equation here is x square plus y square equal to 64. So first we have find x. In place of x we substitute c minus 4y by 3 in place of that. So c minus 4y by 3 whole square, and this is y square. This is equal to 64. So from this equation we can simplify easily and get the equation that is 25y square, okay. Then after we get 8cy, and then if we multiply 9 with 64, then we get 576 are equal to 0, okay. See the calculation here, okay, that is 25y square, 8cy square, 8cy, and 576 equal to 0. And in place of y, and that is equal to c minus 3x, c minus 3x by 4, okay. Then we get here, and that is x square here, and this is c minus 3x by 4 whole square. This is 64. If we simplify this, we get here, that's also 25 x square, okay. Simplify this, and this is 6cx, and this is another part is c square minus 1024, okay. Simplify c there, okay. Now let us assume the solution of y here is y1 or y2, and sum of the two roots is equal to minus b by a, and that is 8c by 25, and y1 into y2 is equal to c by a, and that is minus 576 by 25, and again c square is missing there, c square, okay. Okay, and now is this, and here x1 plus x2 is equal to 6c by 25, okay. X1 into x2, that is c square minus this by 25, and now this is a circle, so this is a chord, this is AB, and coordinate of that is x1 comma y1, and coordinate of that is x2 comma y2. So AB length is equal to root over of, so you can write here x1 minus x2 whole square and y1 minus y2 whole square, and this also can be written as like x1 plus x2 whole square and same as y1 plus y2 whole square, and that can be written as taken common 4, that is x1 x2, okay, and also y1 and y2, and substitute this value. This is x1 plus x2, this is here 64, 6c, that is 36c square by 25 square, and y1 y2 here is, that is 64c square by 25 square, and 4 times of x1 and x2, that is c square 1024 by 25, and c square minus, that is 576 by 25, okay. And if we simplify this, that is 2 by 5 and root over of 1600 minus c square is your answer, okay. This is our option number C, okay. Take an LCM, simplify that, then you get easily, okay. Now last question. See careful, very interesting question for that, and apply the quadratic equation for finding the distance by finding the chord of the circle, okay. See, this is the question number 13 here, okay. Now for question number 8, this is the last question, and this is the some lengthy question here, okay. Now here chord 44 can be written as cot 60 minus 16 as 16 here, so with respect to 16. So formula here is cot 60 and cot 16 minus plus 1, and that is equal to cot 16 minus cot 60. So the value of cot 60 is half, and sin 60 1 by root 3. So this is here 1 by root 3, and cot 16 plus 1 by cot 16, this is 1 by root 3 here. Okay, take a LCM, then you get here cot 16 plus root 3 and root 3 cot 16 minus 1, and again and cot 76, that can be written as cot 60 plus 16, and same as we get the formula here plus minus and here is plus. So same figure, just 16 minus root 3 by root 3 cot 16 plus 1. Okay, now the left hand side here. Now on the expression here is cot 16, cot 44, cot 44, cot 76, cot 76 and cot 16 here. So take a common both of these, that is cot 16, and value substitute here is, this is cot 16 plus root 3 by root 3 and cot 16 minus 1, and this is 76 here. So cot 16 minus root 3 by root 3 cot 16 plus 1. And now see, this is the product of both, that can be expressed as a plus b, a minus b. So we can easily cot 16 minus 3 here and 3 cot square 16 minus 1 here. Okay, and take a LCM of these two terms. So this is the product of this. We can write here 3 cot square 16 here and minus 1 and multiply both of them. So this is root 3 cot square 16. Now this also cot 16. Again multiply by root 3, then you get 3 cot 16, and then again root 3 here. So again multiply on this part. This is here. Okay, these both are minus. Okay, now root 3, this is cot square 16, and this is here minus. So we can write here plus cot 16. Again, this is here minus. So plus 3 cot 16. Again, this is plus. We can write here minus and root 3. Okay, and plus cot square 16 minus 3 by 3 cot square 16 minus 1. So take LCM. This is 3 cot square 16 minus 1, and this is here cot 16. And now these are cancelled. These are cancelled. Now this is here 4 and 4. 4 and 4. This is 8 cot square 16. Okay, and now let her here cot square 16 minus 3. So that's like 8. Okay, this is taken square 9. So 9 cot square 16 minus 3, and this is here 3 cot square 16 minus 1. Okay, taken common 3 here, we get answer is 3. So this is the option number C. Okay, this is option number. Okay, this is the interesting class today. See carefully. Okay, right.